If you accidentally turned on the color inversion or inverted colors on a Vivo phone with Android 14, FunTouch OS 14, here is the first thing that you can try to disable it. First, try pressing down on the volume keys right here, both of them together for 3 seconds. You might have accidentally enabled a shortcut. The next thing you can do is use the quick access here and look for the toggle color inversion. If you don't see any of these here and none of this stuff works and you really want to take this off here, now use the quick access and pull it down 2 times and you'll tap on the settings icon right here. Once in the main settings now, you are going to go down and keep going down until you see shortcuts and accessibility, this one right there. Once in this section here now, you're going to see all these different options, but you want to keep going down to the accessibility option, this last option here. Now that you're here, you're going to see a few more accessibility options here as well, and one of them is color and motion. Once you tap on that, this will take you here and you'll see the different options. Color inversion is one of them and it's currently set to turn on. And before you turn it off from here, make sure you turn off the shortcut so that you won't accidentally turn it on again. Or if you want, you can turn it on from here and also disable the color inversion. And this will give you back your regular colors, like and sub.